I am Reid, Principal, Landilo School of Special Education. Our school is located in Region 4 of the Ministry of Education with 3 branches in the parishes of Hanover, Westmoreland and St. James. Today we observe Children's Day with a fair was sponsored by the Ministry of Education, Youth, Skills and Information, and in particular the Children's Division. Now, we are very happy to be hosting this event for our students. All the students from all 3 branches are present, and the staff from all the branches are also here. What we hope to achieve is to reduce the abuse of children. As you know, our students who have intellectual disabilities and other developmental delays, they are most vulnerable to abuse. In fact, some of them, they are denied of an opportunity to get an education, and some of them are denied of proper health care, and others are physically and sexually abused. So this event is part of the series of activities which are geared towards reducing the incidence of abuse. So while we heighten the awareness of the children in terms of what abuse is, we are also making it, increasing the awareness of the adults who are likely to be abusive in the circumstances. Well, we say in the past it was higher. It is reducing gradually. We do have instances where the children are not sent to school because the parents think that it's not a good investment. But what they do not know is that the child who comes up and acquire knowledge and skills enough to earn something to contribute to the family and to take care of themselves, it means that the burden of the community or the government to provide sustenance for them will be lessened, and the families will also not be responsible for carrying all the burden of caring for them for their lives. So it's very important that whatever skills they can get, whatever knowledge we can impart to them, that they get it. So in terms of the incidents, I can tell you it is on the decline as awareness goes up.
Is there special activities that the school has to undertake to assist in the reduction?
All right, so for the students' attendance, our guidance department will visit or will contact the home if we see them absent for 3 days in a row. Parents will have to report. We'll also have home visits by the guidance counselor to ensure that the children are treated equitable with other siblings in the family. Because as you know, sometimes the child with the disability might not be able to complain, and so they would not be given equitable treatment within their families. So visits will be done, and even the place where the child is sleeping, the bed and so forth, will be checked. Within our schools, we have no abuse, no physical abuse contact. So therefore, that is down to 0. It doesn't matter what. There are times when some children will become violent. We'll have to restrain them and protect others from being harmed by them if that's the case. But that's where we are now. In fact, when it comes to rules, our children do not necessarily interpret the codes. And so we have to have, instead of having school rules, we don't have school rules. We have school policies, class policies, so that the policy for each child is communicated and they understand it. And because of that, we have had a reduction of the incidence of indiscipline by students.